common installation error results in the child car restraint sitting at an incorrect angle. This error can occur when the vehicle seat sits at a different angle to which the child car restraints manufacturer requires. We may correct the angle by using a towel to level off the base area. The position of the towel creates a better angle for the child car restraint to rest against. However, we do recommend checking your child car restraints manual, as some manufacturers may discourage the use of towels. With some models, such as the InfoSecure seat, the angle needs adjusting via a wedge. When placing this seat in the rearward-facing position, you need to pull the trigger and slide the seat into the correct angle. Then the wedge must be pulled over. Remembering to check the position of the wedge is vital, as some seats may come out of the box in a forward-facing orientation. For more tips, guidelines and resources, please visit kidsafewa.com.au.